Hi besties. I have morning voice right now. Let's get today started. Let's go. First thing I do is stretch. Every morning. I don't want to get up, but I have to because we have stuff to do today and we're going to be productive. Okay, let's get up. Okay, so I'm first gonna do my skincare. I'm just using the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I only use like 1 pump, and then I use warm water and I just wash my face as is. Nothing crazy with that. And I always pat dry. Make sure you always pat your skin dry. It just saves it. It's so much better for your skin. Next up, I'm going in with the Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster and also the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Serum. The first one I put on is the Paula's Choice, and I just end up putting on like a full like little dropper. And I just pat it on my skin. I love this. It's definitely helped the darkness in my skin become light. It's really nice. And then I use the hyaluronic serum from the Glow Recipe. I just love the hydration on this, and I also just go ahead and pat this into my skin. After that, I love using my Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I use it morning and night. This is how much I use in the morning just because I have oily skin. I only use a little bit. Rub it on my neck and on my face and get that glow on. Of course, we have to do an eye cream, so I have the Ulla Henriksen eye cream, and then also for lips, I have the Algenist Lip Collagen. Love both of these so much. They definitely help my skin so much. I've been using them for years. And we can't forget about sunscreen, so I actually had to open up a new Tatcha sunscreen, which was so exciting. You can see my face was so excited. This is the Silken Pore Perfecting Sunscreen. I use a good amount. I always put it on my neck and on my face, and then you are ready to go for the day. Morning time skincare is done. One of my favorite parts about the morning is just like skincare. Clean, clean, clean skin. Okay, my skincare is on. I'm ready for the day. I'm in my outfit. So now, our to-do list of the day. First thing on our list is go to Starbucks, of course. Gotta get some coffee. By the way, it's currently 7:30 for reference. Next up after that, I have an eye doctor appointment. My contacts like don't work, like I can't see still. So I'm gonna go get my eyes fixed, and then after that, I have like an hour and a half to kill, so I'll grab breakfast after that. And then I have a facial and my lash lift and tint, which will be so much fun. Then I have to film 2 videos once I get back here. Homework, because yes, I am an online college student over the summer trying to get ahead in life. And then honestly, wherever the day takes us, we also have to do laundry as well. All right, so let's hit the first thing on the to-do list and go grab Starbucks. I also put some jewelry on just because I felt a little naked. Okay, so my earrings are from E. Newton. They're just like little gold, like little hoops. They don't pull my ears, which I still appreciate. This necklace is from Martha Calvo. It's the Happy-Go-Lucky necklace. Waited 2 months to get it. I'm so happy I have it now. This is from Etsy. It says Habibi Ishq Love on it. I'm Middle Eastern, so I just felt like I had to have it. It just keeps me at peace all day and just reminds me about loving people. On my left hand, I have this Gucci ring on my middle finger, and then my bestie ring with my cousin on this finger. And then on this hand, I have this Martha Calvo pink little pinky. No, it's not pink. It's a pinky ring and it has a smiley face on it. This is in Arabic and it says Habibi as well. Well, this one says Habibi, yeah. And then this one says love. And then this is a Christian Dior like little ring. And I don't know. I just had to put some jewelry on because I felt a little naked. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, duh. Perfume of the day. What are we feeling? I did a perfume collection if you guys want to watch it. But I think today I'm feeling some just classic Burberry Her. It's like my favorite scent ever. I love it. Burberry Her looks like this. I'm absolutely obsessed. Immaculate. Also, my room's a wreck. I literally move in 1 week, and when you're seeing this vlog, I'm already moving, so it's a little messy around here. Little side note, I didn't get to do my journaling this morning because I woke up a little bit late, but I am doing affirmations and like kind of like projecting the day while I drive to Starbucks. So that's a little side note if you don't have time to do it in the morning. There's always time when you're driving in your car to just affirm yourself, to talk about how you want your day to go. And I thank the Lord that it is another good day, that you woke up and you're alive. So I'm doing that on the way to Starbucks. I am loved, I am beautiful, I am capable, I am pretty. I want today to go just super, super well. Okay, I picked up Starbucks. This is an iced brown sugar shaken espresso, but I get it with only 1 pump of the brown sugar syrup, but 2 pumps of cinnamon dolce. It's like 70 calories and 7 grams of sugar. It's so good. It's immaculate. We only have a 9-minute drive, so let's get to it. I'm gonna go get my eyes fixed here. I will see you guys after. Bye!
Later.
Update, I got my contacts. I can see perfectly clear now. I'm so happy. Ugh, it's just such a struggle, like when you're almost blind in both of your eyes, and that's how I am without contacts. And the contacts that I was given weren't right for me, and then they gave me new ones, and I'm like a whole new woman. Sorry, like choked up a little. So let's go get some breakfast. I think we're gonna go to Clean Juice. I think maybe we'll just do avocado toast and a green juice. That sounds really good. So I'll check out with you guys in a second. Check back with you guys. Okay, so I just picked up my Clean Juice. I get a 16-ounce recovery smoothie with hemp because I can't have gluten. And then I get my favorite. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so this is the avocado toast with gluten-free bread. I can definitely make this at home, but I feel like Clean Juice just puts like an extra little touch to it, so it's just so much better. So I'm gonna eat this. Oh, I'm so excited. And then we're gonna head to my facial appointment, and then my eyelash lifting appointment is like at the same place, so it's like perfect. Little fun day. Fun little productive day. Little self-care day. Cheers. Okay, I'm at my appointment. That's where it is. It's called Spa 98. If you live like in Destin, Pensacola, Santa Rosa type area where I live currently at this moment, it's the best place to go. Kelsey's amazing. I will throw up her Instagram like over here. She's just the best. Like, I love the Sweet Spot facial and the eyelash lift and tint. She's so good. I also get other services done, but those are like my top 2. I'm like absolutely obsessed.
2 hours later.
I am back. I feel so good, you guys. So I was able to ask Kelsey to get some clips of like my facial and my eyelash lift. And first of all, I'm gonna put the before of my eyelashes to the side and show you guys the before and after. Look how good they look. Oh my gosh. You're joking. It's fake. It looks so good. She is literally so good. And I feel like what I've noticed that makes Kelsey different from other estheticians and just Spa 98 just in general is that like Kelsey like genuinely cares about the clients and like their needs and like isn't in it just for like just to do the facial or whatever. She's always like super nice and like customized like facials for you, and I just really appreciate that. And it's nice to know that someone like actually cares and helping you and just making you feel confident and like having someone to kind of have that self-care routine with you. So I definitely recommend Kelsey, and honestly just anyone in Spa 98 is absolutely so sweet and amazing. I'll leave Kelsey's Instagram down below and also her like booking schedule thing. If you guys are in the Destin area, like I said, if you're in Destin, Panama City area / Santa Rosa Beach, Miramar, that kind of area, anyone can go to her. Like, it's worth the drive. It's so good, and I'm just always like in awe of like how well she does and how well she treats me. So, oh, I also picked up a bunch of goodies. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a haul real quick, and then let's go to Home Goods and meet my mom because I move in 1 week, and the day you're seeing this is the day I'm moving in, and I gotta get some more extra little goodies for my apartment. First thing I purchased is the Bio Elements Multitask Eye Cream. It targets dark circles, lines, puffiness, and it has hyaluronic acid, which I definitely need for my under eyes. Obviously, I get lash lift and tints, and this is supposed to help with like the aftercare. So it's by Eliplex, I think that's how you say it. And it just says aftercare formula for lash lift that makes them last longer. Definitely want to prolong it as much as possible. So every time I've had a facial done, she puts this thing on my lips after, and I'm like, this is amazing. So it's called the Sorella Apothecary Avocado Oil Lip Hydrator. Love it. So I had to purchase my own, of course. I really love this brand. It's called Farmhouse Fresh. It's the lavender honey fine sea salt body scrub. I have like weird bumps on my shoulders because I've been in the sun so much, and she thinks that they are sweat bumps and I need to exfoliate my skin. So I decided to pick this little scrub up. These are some of my favorite eye patches besides the Peace Out Skincare Puffy Eyes, and they are the Patchology Flash Patch, and they're so good. They help my under eyes so much. So I picked up my mom a little set. Last but not least, my favorite body lotion ever. It's actually like a body mousse. It's by Farmhouse Fresh. It's called Moon Dip. I'll link it down below for you guys to purchase. It is amazing. I use it every single night after I shower. It has totally transformed my skin and just makes it glowy and natural and just so hydrated. And I actually feel that it works and it doesn't like stick on your skin. It's not oily. It's just amazing. So with that being said, let's go to Home Goods right now. I love this so much for my TV stand. So cute. I'm gonna put this one in the living room with a plant, or maybe on the kitchen table. I think this is so fun. Okay, so my laundry is in and I have actually like a little bit less than an hour on it. So I'm gonna work on some discussion posts I have for online school. I have 2 discussion posts that I have to submit to people. If you guys wanna see a what's on my iPad, I just did one, so be sure to watch it. I'll link it down below. So let's go ahead and get some homework done and figure out what we're gonna do next. Okay, so I just finished my homework. Now I'm gonna respond to some emails. I have like 100 I have not gotten to in this past week because I've been so busy with like school and like packing to move. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock those out as well. Okay, I had a slight outfit change. I got all my work done. I'm wearing this Free People bralette and then Free People boxers. Let's go finish my laundry, put my darks in, and put my lights in to dry, and then do my Lululemon stuff, and then we can make dinner. I'm making a bagli polo dish tonight, which is a Persian dish. A little culture. So yeah, let's go, let's go. I also always put bathing suits in with my Lulu. And I always do the hand wash setting on my Lulu. Okay, so moving on to dinner, I'm making bagli polo, which is a classic Middle Eastern dish. I am Middle Eastern, of course, but it deals with lima beans and a ton of dill and a ton of rice. It is so good. So this is what it looks like, and it is my favorite Persian dish ever. My mom has been making it since I was born, and it's just in our family, so I'm gonna be making it tonight since I'm moving next week. I wanna know how to make it, so here we go. All right, we've got the chicken defrosting. Oh my gosh, look at the fresh dill. Oh, y'all, it smells so good. Oh. Hey, so I seasoned the chicken. It's a new tangine. And now we're putting limes on it to, you know, make it moist, juicy. Lime do be squirting everywhere. Okay, look at our chicken. Lime, lemon pepper, garlic, onion, salt, pepper. So now we're putting it on here, like this. And then what are you trying to find? The dried dough.
And dried lime.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it little by little, like. I'm gonna put like a cup in there. Second.
And then you've got some dried dill a little bit that you need to throw in there. Is that the dill?
Right here, yeah.
No, it's mint, isn't it? Oh, it's dill. Okay.
Okay guys, this thing is packed full with chicken, lima beans, dill, and rice. And now we're gonna cook it. Yum. Okay, I made my Mimi's famous salad. It's called the Mimi salad, and it's just like romaine with this kind of lettuce as well. Let's see if I can show you this kind. You do tomatoes, garlic powder, all limes, a little bit of olive oil, a ton of mint, onion powder, seasoned salt, and lemon pepper. And it's absolutely so good. And we're just waiting on this, and then dinner will be done.
Ready?
Go.
Masterpiece.
All right, guys, here it is. Here's the final plate. This is Tadek. Here's Sammy's.
It's mine. How pretty.
And we have our little sides.
Later.
I like to treat myself to a bath at least once a week, and I always rinse off in the shower before I get in, so I definitely did that before. But I'm wearing a bikini top. I don't typically do that, but since I'm on camera, I definitely kind of have to. But I just like to take advantage of this time to just self-reflect and soak in the moment. I don't like to do too much. I'll be on my phone a whole lot. I just kind of like to vibe and do my thing. So I always bring my devotional, and I also bring a white journal to be able to jot my notes in. And I brought my iPad this time just in case I had time to get on it, but I definitely didn't end up getting on it. Okay, after I do my devotional, I like to put on beat instrumentals. It's on Apple Music. It's just nice, like really vibey music with not much to it. And I just put it on and I just relax by myself. Like I said, I take in the moment, I self-reflect, I think, and I honestly just try and take this moment and just breathe and just be present in myself and just think, honestly. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of this little clip. Okay, I just got out of the bath. This is like my little fit change for the night. I'm wearing this from Skims. This is also from Skims. These are also from Skims, but I'm wearing shorts on top of it that are from the Crypt. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little outfit of the night vibe. Okay, to end off the night, I'm gonna put some squalene on my face. I typically don't do skincare after a facial just because it's already like still on there. I just always do squalene from The Ordinary. I'm actually almost out of this one, so I need to go ahead and open my other one. I keep this thing stocked, so I have to like do this. I love this stuff. It totally changed my skin. And then I'm gonna take my gua sha and just do my facial exercises. I do this twice a day, morning and night. I'm gonna try my new eye cream that I got today from Bio Elements. Looks good. I'm excited to try it because I have really dry under eyes. Okay, beautiful babes, I'm gonna end the night here. This was such a fun vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to do more of these, especially when I move into my new apartment. Literally, my time it's gonna be a week, but when you're watching this video, it's me moving in, and I have so many moving vlogs and fun content on the way for that kind of era of my life. If you guys want to see more vlogs like this, let me know. Like, I love showing you guys my life. It's super just fun for me, and I'm always like 10 times more productive when I film. It's just the fact of the matter. I just am. It just makes me feel like I'm with you guys, and I just love it. If you are new here, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow my Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. Be sure to like this video as well. I post 2 to 3 times a week. It's really fun over here. Okay, my quote of the day is, your strengths still exist even on your bad days. Just because you're having a bad day doesn't mean that you aren't like good in any other area of your life. It's just today. It's just in the moment. You still have so many great qualities about you. Don't beat yourself up over one bad day or one bad minute, one bad hour. I love you guys so much. I will take that advice like for myself as well, because I need to do that. Like, I just need to take my own advice as well. Hopefully I see you guys in my very next video. Y'all are my best friends. I love you guys so much. Be sure to DM me if you guys ever need a thing. And all right, bye. I love you.